With its square and hard lines, a front viewing system on the roof, and an external spare tire at the rear, it adopts the future Starship aesthetic design concept, continuing the family's tough style. It also offers configurations such as electric pedals, tow hooks, and electric connectors, and can optionally be equipped with 2.5-ton towing capabilities. In terms of size, the new car is positioned as a medium to large SUV. Its length, width, and height are 5195/1994/1875 mm, including a 1905 mm roof rack, and its wheelbase is 2920 mm. 7 seats, including a 6-seat version. The rear row has an independent seat design, and is equipped with electrically adjustable seats and functions such as ventilation, heating, and massage. In terms of interior, it is built on the basis of the future Starship aesthetic design concept, adopting a 3-screen layout and adding a passenger entertainment screen to enhance the technological atmosphere in the car. Equipped with Fi-Link smart car system, the central control screen is 15.4 inches, and the instrument panel and passenger entertainment screens are 12.3 inches. It is worth mentioning that 2 independent touchscreens with full technology understanding have been added to the rear end of the Leopard 8 center armrest to enhance the smart experience for rear passengers. Previously, Huawei also launched the UWB car key for the Mate XT mobile phone, and Fangbaobao 8 is the first model to support this feature. It is reported that the Leopard 8 UWB car key has a centimeter-level positioning accuracy, and the range accuracy is more than 10 times that of Bluetooth. Officials emphasized that Fangbaobao 8 is the first model in the world to support UWB car keys equipped with iOS and HarmonyOS dual-system mobile phones. In terms of smart driving, the Leopard 8 will be equipped with the Huawei Chenkuan Smart Driving ADS 3.0 system, which will enable advanced autonomous driving functions such as high-speed, urban NOA and parking driving in the future. Leopard 8 is built on the 2.0T DMO electric drive off-road Pioneer platform, equipped with a plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.0T motor and a dual motor. The maximum motor power is 200 kilowatts. The peak power of the front and rear permanent magnet synchronous motors is 200 kilowatts and 300 kilowatts respectively. The comprehensive system power is 550 kilowatts, and the official acceleration time from 100 kilometers to 100 kilometers is only 4.8 seconds. In terms of battery life, a lithium iron phosphate battery pack with a capacity of 36,864 kilowatt-hours, the pure electric fuel consumption of 100 kilometers under WLTC conditions is 8.87 L/100 km, and the comprehensive cruising range is 1,200 kilometers. In terms of chassis, Leopard 8 adopts a non-load-bearing body structure, equipped with front and rear double wishbone independent suspension, and is equipped with 3 differential locks. In addition, the new car will be equipped with a full-featured version of the Yunnan P intelligent hydraulic body control system, with a minimum ground clearance of 220 mm, and the Yunnan P can be raised to 310 mm. It also supports 140 mm suspension adjustment stroke and can automatically adjust the suspension height according to the speed and driving mode. In addition, it supports 3-level stiffness adjustment, active damping continuous adjustment, linked LiDAR and camera active preview, and 4-wheel linkage, which can cope with various harsh operating conditions and take into account driving comfort and stable control. Judging by the current market situation, when launched in the future, the Tank 700 High 4T will compete with tough SUVs such as Toyota Prado and Land Rover Defender.